Hello, Starport adventurers. I am very happy to announce to you today that we are finally releasing our new book supplement for Starport. It's called Undercity, supplement for Starport, a tabletop role-playing game for kids. So finally, we're getting our supplement for Starport. In the book, you're going to get lots of new content for your Starport games. There's going to be an entirely new setting map, similar to what you found with the Starport setting map, where you've got locations and NPCs and things to interact with. So lots and lots of excitement for your players. There's going to be 3 new adventures, and the adventures are designed in a way that gives tons of replayability. I'm very excited about the adventures. I think they're going to be very fun. There's a lot of unique twists in there. I'm not going to reveal too much, but they're great adventures. We've also got new creatures, new equipment, new abilities, entirely new game mechanics. There's a new alchemy crafting system where players can actually collect materials and craft their own potions. There's a runic alphabet where players can write their own coded letters or receive letters and decode them themselves. So there's tons of really great material for endless hours of adventuring in this new book. We're very excited about it. It's called Undercity. And we hope that you all enjoy using it in your games as much as we enjoyed making it. So thanks a lot.